Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add an image in readme.md on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, when you click, you can see that we have the home, issues, pull-in requests, and projects. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, you have the status, your profile, your respiratories, and a lot of things about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add an image in readme.md on GitHub. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So to do so, guys, you need to go, and method one is using relevant path. So upload an image on your GitHub repository. So click on one of, just a second. You need to go and click on one of those. So here, for instance, this one that I have here. When you click on the image, so you can create a folder named images and place your image there. Reference the image in your readme.md using the following markdown sync. Method 2 is using the external URL, host the image on external site. You can reference the image in your readme.md using the following markdown syntax. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.